Hello and welcome to our Storm streaming video tutorial series. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to properly configure the Larix Broadcaster application with Storm Streaming Cloud and Storm Streaming Server. Larix is available for both iOS and Android and is a really great piece of software from the team at South Vellum. Let's start Larix and navigate to Settings, which are located under this little gear icon. Now we choose Connection, click the plus in the top right corner, and pick Connection from the list. In the first field called Name, we can put whatever we want. Let's write Storm. Now we will need to combine the server URL with the stream key. For Storm Cloud users, we can copy this right from the stream summary page. First, copy the server URL, add a slash, and now paste the stream key. We will also have to authenticate our stream with a username and a password. For the target type, pick RTMP authorization and complete the two remaining fields. For login, we'll use our username. Okay, great. Now onto the video settings. Let's go back to the settings and choose Video. Let's now edit some basic parameters. Initial camera, let's keep it backside. Resolution 720p. Orientation, we'll pick portrait, although we can also use landscape. Live rotation off. Bitrate, for that 2500 should be just fine. Key frequency 1. The rest is fine and we don't need to modify it. Now let's head back to the main screen. And we can start broadcasting by clicking this big button on the side. Now for iOS, in order for Larix to work properly, you will have to keep the app active. If you switch apps, the broadcast will be terminated. For Android, however, some devices support streaming in the background, and that should not be a problem. Let's publish our stream now to see if it works. I'll log into the control panel, pick our stream, and click Publish. Okay, it seems everything works just fine. That's all. Thanks for watching, and please check our other video tutorials and documentation page, where everything I presented now is described in more detail. You will find the link in the description.